In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Stochastic Slow Strategy in TradingView Pro. We'll walk through this in a simple, clear way so you can follow along on your own chart. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the Stochastic Slow Strategy and how to add it to your TradingView Pro workspace. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account and you have a chart open. It doesn't matter which market you're looking at, but I recommend choosing something you usually trade, like your favorite stock, crypto pair, or forex pair. That way, you'll immediately see how this strategy behaves on a familiar chart. Now, look toward the top of your TradingView chart for the Indicators and Strategies panel. Depending on your layout, this might just say Indicators, or it might say Indicators and Strategies. Go ahead and click on that. This is where TradingView keeps all the built-in indicators and strategies, as well as any custom scripts you might have saved. Once the panel opens, you'll see different sections. Strategies are a special type of tool because they don't just show indicator values. They also simulate trades based on a set of rules. That allows you to backtest and see how a particular method would have performed historically. In the panel, switch over to the Strategies section if it's not already visible. You can usually find it on the left side or as a tab across the top of the window. With the Strategies section open, look for the strategy called Stochastic Slow. The easiest way to find it is to use the search bar at the top of the panel. Start typing Stochastic Slow and TradingView will filter the list for you. Make sure you select the one under the built-in section so you're using the standard version provided by TradingView. When you see Stochastic Slow appear, simply click on it once. As soon as you do, TradingView will automatically add it to your chart. You should see new information appear, often below the price chart as an oscillator, and you may also notice trade markers and performance stats showing up, since this is a strategy, not just an indicator. From here, you can open the settings for the strategy by clicking the settings icon next to its name on the chart. This is where you can adjust parameters like length or smoothing to better fit your trading style. Take a moment to explore those options and see how changes affect the backtest results. If you haven't signed up for TradingView Pro yet and you want to unlock more advanced tools and layouts, use the link in my